Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be diving into the world of web searching. We'll learn how to use the internet safely, smartly, and have some fun along the way. Let's get started. So first up, let's talk about what we're going to learn today. So by the end of this video, you'll know what a search engine is, how to use it effectively, and how to figure out if the information you find online is true. Sounds pretty cool, right? Let's get started. So what exactly are we learning? We'll start with understanding what a search engine is and look at some examples like Google and Bing. Then we'll learn some tips and tricks to search better. Finally, we'll talk about how to check if the stuff you find online is actually true. All right, let's get into it. A search engine is like a super smart librarian that helps you find information on the internet. Some popular ones are Google, Bing, Yahoo, and Ask, although Ask isn't used as widely as it used to be. Think of them as your go to helpers for finding anything online. For example, if you want to know the weather, you might type weather forecast into Google and it will show you the latest weather updates for where you are. So, have you ever wondered how search engines actually work? Imagine the internet is a huge library. Websites are like books stored on shelves, which are actually computers called servers. When you type a question, the search engine looks through all these books to find the best answers for you. For instance, if you search for how do plants grow, the search engine will find websites that explain the process of photosynthesis. Now let's talk about keywords. These are words you type into the search bar. The more specific you are, the better your results. For example, if you want to know about the 2024 Olympics, type Olympic Sports 2024. You can also use quotes to find the exact phrases or a minus sign to exclude words you don't want. For example, searching best pizza recipes will give you a lot of recipes. But if you only want vegetarian ones, you could type best pizza recipes minus meat. Want to get even better at searching? Here are some advanced tips. You can narrow your search by date, file type, language, region, and even image size and color. For example, if you need a PDF of a science report, you can search science report file type with a colon sign followed by PDF. Or if you want images of cute puppies, you can specify the image size and color to find exactly what you need. Next up, cookies. But no, not the yummy kind. Cookies are actually small files that websites save on your computer to remember things about you, like what's in your shopping cart or shopping bag, or your favorite settings. They make your online experience smoother. For example, if you visit an online store and add items to your cart or basket, cookies help remember the items even if you leave the site and come back later on. Have you ever noticed ads that seem to know what you like? That's because of cookies. They help show ads based on your interests. For example, if you visit a site about painting, you might see ads for art supplies on other websites. Or if you search for new sneakers or trainers, you might start seeing trainer ads on your social media feeds. You can control cookies through your browser settings. Not everything you read online is true. So, how do you check? Look at who wrote it, when it was last updated, and if there are any references. This helps you figure out if the information is reliable. For example, if you find a health article, check if it's written by a doctor or a trusted health organization and see if it has recent updates and references to scientific studies. To make sure you're getting good information, check the author's credibility. See if the info is up to date and understand the purpose of the page. Also, look for copyright symbols and references. For example, a news article from a well known newspaper is more likely to be reliable than a random blog post. Fake news can be tricky. Some are obvious jokes, but others can be harder to spot. Use fact checking websites to see if a story is true. And if you're unsure, ask a trusted adult. For example, if you see a story about a celebrity doing something unbelievable, check sites like Snopes or factcheck.org to see if it's real. Always cross check information with other sources to make sure it's accurate. Look for signs that the information is credible and reliable. For example, if you're researching for a school project, use multiple sources like books, trusted websites, and academic journals to ensure the information is correct. Wikipedia is a free online encyclopedia that anyone can edit. It's a great resource, but remember to compare it with other sources to make sure the information is accurate. For example, if you're reading about a historical event on Wikipedia, check other history websites or books to confirm the details. Wikipedia has tons of articles on all sorts of topics. It's available in many languages, making it a valuable resource for information. For example, you can find articles on everything from ancient civilizations to modern technology, and you can read them in different languages if you're studying a foreign language. Browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Safari have some really cool features like history and bookmarks. These tools help you keep track of the websites you visit and save your favorite pages. For example, if you find a really nice recipe, you can bookmark it so you can easily find it later. You can view your browsing history by pressing Ctrl H on most browsers. This shows you all the websites you visited recently. You can also search within your history for specific keywords. For example, if you remember visiting a site about dinosaurs, but you can't remember the name, you can search dinosaurs in your history to find it. Bookmarks are a great way to save pages you visit fairly often. Just press Ctrl and D to bookmark a page. This makes it easy to find your favorite sites quickly. For example, you can bookmark your school's homework portal or your favorite games online. This brings us to the end of today's lesson on how how to search the web. But let's have a very quick recap. We've learned about search engines, how to use keywords, advanced search tips, cookies, checking information accuracy, and a little more. Remember, the internet is a powerful tool when it's used wisely. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Bye for now.